This question asks us, a carpenter needs to cut a small triangular piece of wood for a part of a jewelry box. He knows the height is 23 inches and the base is an unknown value of A. The angle between the unknown base A and the hypotenuse is theta, which is 29 degrees. And we need to find the length of A to the nearest tenth of an inch. So the first thing I would always do for a problem like this is it tells us we're looking for a triangular piece of wood. So we know we're dealing with a triangle. So first things first, just go ahead and draw it. And then let's start filling in the information it gives us. So we know the height is 23 inches. So we have 20, so we have 20 inches. Then we know the base is an unknown value A. And then we know the hypotenuse or the angle between A and the hypotenuse is 20 degrees. So the next thing we need to do is figure out which trig function would allow us to solve for this missing side A. So let's look at SOHCAHTOA. Okay, from looking at this, if we look at tangent, we notice tangent is made up of the opposite and adjacent side. Notice the other two trig functions here, one uses the opposite, and the other one uses the adjacent, but they both make use of the hypotenuse. Here, we don't know what the hypotenuse is, so we would have to solve for the hypotenuse to even consider using either of these other two trig functions. So in this case, tangent is the only one. So we just need to plug everything into our tangent ratio and this. So tangent of 29 degrees is equal to our opposite, which is 23, over our adjacent, which is A. Now we just need to solve for A. So if we multiply A on both sides, we get A tan 20 degrees is equal to 20. And then divide both sides by tangent, and we get A is equal to 23 over the tangent, 29 degrees. This gives us 31930 dot dot dot. And then we're going to round that to the nearest tenth, which means we need to look at this first decimal place, see what's behind it, and see whether we need to round up or down. And in this case, it's a 9, so we round up. That gives us 40. And that is our final answer.